Ethereum against US dollar has made a retrace, which was suggested in the previous week analysis that the price after touching this area supply zone, I'm expecting that the price could return back down, and we can see that the price has touched 19200 price level, which is the lower side of this demand zone. The price has stopped here, did not close below that, we can see it here with this candle, and currently we have 2 more days until this week ends, but as it looks right now, the price has found a support before moving even more down. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. The price is currently inside this uptrend trend line, which means also the price has made a breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame with this candle. And in the previous week analysis, I have mentioned that I need to see the price making a confirmation of this bullish breakout as a valid one, and that means with the price returning back down and not closing below this one. So we have 2 more days until to see what happens. Let's see on the monthly time frame, we can see what is happening. We have 2 more weeks until this month ends. This month the price has tried to make a breakout to the upside, but the price is currently going down. And if you make the analysis on the 3 time frames that I am just showing you, which means on the monthly, weekly and also daily time frame, you will have a much better picture. For now, as it looks, you can see that on the monthly time frame the price is trying to make a breakout to the upside. The price needs to close above this area here, which is 1950 price level on the monthly time frame in order to continue to move up. This will mean that this price has formed a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame. So the price is trying to make a breakout to the upside and needs to go above. The next level what is important for the price is this one here, 1852, in order to continue to move up, but also in order to stay in the bullish mode. If it goes below this one, this will mean that the sellers have entered into the market. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that after the price has made a breakout to the upside, the price is now confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. This week, if this stays as it looks right now, this will be confirmed bullish breakout on the weekly time frame, which means that there is potential and a very high chance that the price will continue to move up in the following 2 weeks, which would also make a breakout to the monthly time frame to the bullish side. If the price goes below this one, this area here, which is 1924 price level, which is visible here on the weekly time frame, this will mean that the previous week bullish breakout has been cancelled and it's failed one, which means the price could return back down, touching here around 1860 price level. Now if we go to the daily time frame, we have much better picture what's happening, and also we can see what is very important level. The price has made a breakout to the upside and it has found a great supply zone, which now has triggered the sell-off. Now we can see the price has touched here the area around 1950, we can see it here, and it has stopped. Now very important level for the price is the price not going below 1923, around 1920 price level. If the price goes below this one in the following 2 days, this will mean that the weekly confirmation of the bullish breakout has been cancelled, and there is the potential that the price will continue to fall down, and reaching the first area is this one here around 1863 on the daily time frame. This will also mean that the price has gone outside of this small uptrend, which will mean that the price could make a retrace and reaching around 1840 price level. But if the price stays above in the following 2 days, this will mean that the weekly bullish breakout has been confirmed and we could see the price going up to the upside to higher price level. So these are very important levels for the price in the following 2 days. If you would like to get a free PDF from me where I explain to you what are the necessary steps to go from the beginner to the trader with this strategy that I'm currently using, you can also get a free PDF below in the description, also in the comments, with a link going to where the PDF is located. You will get inside an email with a step-by-step guide and also tutorial how to use this supply and demand zone strategy that I'm currently using, and also how to make the analysis. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.